Okay, so let's do question 6 from exercise 1.1. The question is, subtract the sum of minus 42 and minus 147 from the difference of minus 283 and minus 415. So we know when it's subtraction, what comes after the term from? We'll write it first. Yeah, then we'll put minus sign. Yeah, because operation is subtract. Then only we'll write what comes first. What comes first will be written at the end. Okay, and what comes after from will be written the first. Okay, so now for this question, from the difference of this one, so we are writing this sentence first. Okay, from the difference of minus 283 and minus 415 means what? So first I told you we had to write this portion, okay, into the equation form we have to make, and it said it's difference of minus 283 and minus 415. Yeah, so it will be the difference of minus 283 and minus 415. How will we write? Minus 283 from the difference, right? So subtraction, and minus 415, minus 415. So the difference of minus 283 and minus 415, how does it come? Minus 283 difference minus minus 415. Okay, then comes from. Yeah, so that big minus for subtraction. Okay, then put a bracket, then writing the this portion we are writing. Okay, sum of minus 42 and minus 147. Sum means addition. Yeah, of what? Minus 42 and minus 147. Did you understand this? Close the bracket. Subtraction. Subtraction means what comes after from will be written first. Then put the minus sign. Yeah, then write what comes first. We have done this in previous questions also. So here what comes after from? This portion we are making into equation form. So the difference of minus 283 and minus 415 will be, what is it? Difference. Difference means what? Subtraction. So this difference we wrote here minus. Okay, then minus 283 and minus 415, minus 283 minus 415 we wrote here. Okay, this minus comes from difference. Okay, then subtraction, right? So that big minus here. Then this first portion we are writing second. Sum of minus 42 and minus 147. Sum means what? Addition. Okay, then minus 42 and minus 147. For sum we put plus, for difference we put minus, and this minus is for the subtraction operation. How we do in previous questions. This is just given in sentences, we have to make it in equation. Normally the equation will be given, okay, we just need to subtract, but here it's given in sentence form, we need to make it in equation form. Okay, so just concentrate and then you will get it. Okay, we're writing this as such. Okay, again we're writing it minus 283, then you see minus minus. When minus and minus comes together, what does it become? Plus. I told you in the previous videos. Okay, then minus minus became plus. 415 as such, then this minus you're putting here, then again rewriting this bracket, minus 42 plus minus 147. When plus and minus comes together, what does it become? Minus. Okay, so this portion became minus, then rest 147, close the bracket. Yeah, now we have to solve or simplify what? This portion. Yeah, so minus 283 we are writing it again. Okay, plus 415. Okay, now you know we see a bracket here, so I told you we have to open the bracket. Yeah, remove the bracket, taking this minus sign inside the bracket, we're removing the bracket. So how does it become? Minus minus 42 minus minus 147. This minus, okay, because there is a bracket here, okay, because it's inside the bracket, this minus is going for both minus 42 as well as for both minus 147. So this minus is applicable for minus 42 as well as for minus 147. So how does it become? Minus minus 42. Minus minus 42 is what? minus and minus means plus, yeah, 42. Then this minus is going for minus 147 also. So minus minus 147. Minus minus is plus 147. Did you understand this? This is very crucial, okay? Crucial step. Minus should be taken to both 42 and 47. Okay, we have to open the bracket. So here, see, we open the bracket, but before opening the bracket, we need to take minus for both the terms. Okay, if it was only one term, then we will write minus minus plus 42. That's it. But we have two terms here. That two terms are inside the bracket. So the outside minus have to be taken for both the terms. So it will become minus minus 42. Minus minus is plus 42. And minus minus 147. So minus minus is plus 147. Okay, easy. Now you see how did the terms become? Minus 283 plus 415 plus 42 plus 147. Okay, in between there are only single signs. Yeah, there are no two signs together like this. So only single signs. Now we can solve easily. There are four terms. Yeah, four numbers are there. So take two terms together. Take these two terms together, solve them. Minus 283 plus 415. One is a negative integer, one is a positive integer. What do you do? Subtraction. Yeah, so do subtraction here. Okay, bigger number is 415, 283 is smaller number. Do the subtraction. Okay, no need to check the sign now, just do subtraction. Okay, what is the answer? 132. So 132 you write here, and then see, one is a positive, one is a negative integer. Yeah, which is the bigger number from here? 283 or 415? 415 is the bigger number, and its sign is plus. So the answer is plus 132. It's not over. We have to solve this term also. Okay, we just solved this term and got plus 132. Then this plus we are writing as such. Then now we have to solve these terms. Yeah, so plus 42 plus 147. Both are positive integers. So simply add. Yeah, so 147 plus 42. What's the answer? 189. Of course, the sign is plus because both are positive integers. Now you see, plus this whole thing have shortened to plus 132 plus 189. Both are positive integers. Now add them. Yeah, because both are positive integers. So we will do 132 plus 189. What's the answer? 321. And see, both are positive integers. So positive. So the final answer is plus 321. Okay, here you can also solve what comes inside the bracket first. Okay, then take the minus sign. It's the same. See, when you solve minus 42 minus 147, what is the answer? Both are negative integers. So you will add. Yeah, you'll add and put the minus sign. So it is minus 189. It would have been minus 189 inside the bracket. Then take a minus sign inside the bracket. So minus minus 189 becomes minus and minus. So plus 189. It's the same. Even if you take this minus sign for both the integers, or solve what comes inside the bracket first and then take the minus sign inside the bracket, and also you'll get the same answer. Okay.